In previous video, we have talked about inheritance. Well, inheritance was very, very important. Now we are going to talk about polymorphism. Well, polymorphism means that poly means many and morphism means forms. So means many forms. What does it mean? We know that methods belong to object. And well, let's see, we had here a class archer. Now we want to have something here as well. For example, we have the init class and we have the self name. Well, number of arrows left, and well, self dot name will be name, and self dot well number of arrows, number of arrows, well, and clean. Now let's see, we had here a function method, or a method is called attack. So we again want to have the same thing here, attack. Well, self, and I want to have the same thing like method attacking with arrows, self dot number of arrows. Well, and clean. Everything is fine for now. Everything looks great for now. Well, one attack method we have here and other attack method we have here. For example, the attack spelling is not correct here. So the same, both functions or both classes or both of them has the same thing like method, well, attack. So it will be shown as differently. How it can be shown? So because it has both of them has class or well method of this attack. Now let's instantiate wizard one as well, wizard and Merlin 50 and archer one, well, archer Robin. Well, the name will be Robin and the attack will be like, for example, 30. So we have this, we can access our, okay, we have ways to call it. Well, for character, let's have this and the list of, well, wizard one and this archer, and let's have this as character dot attack. And when I run this, you just see everything here. So everything is shown here. So this is polymorphism. Well, that's very, very powerful.